Welcome to today's session on Watch, Try, Do Simulations and Software Training. So relax, sit back, and watch as we explore this innovative approach to learning. First things first, what exactly is the Watch, Try, Do method? It's a powerful learning technique that combines observation, interaction, and hands-on practice for effective performance. Let's break it down. In this first step, learners observe a demonstration of the task or process. Here, we're using simulations to replicate real-world scenarios. This visual learning sets the stage for understanding the how and why behind each action. Instead of going through a lengthy manual or traditional tutorial, learners get to watch a guided simulation. It's like having a personal instructor, taking them through the steps visually. It's the learner's turn now, where they interact with the simulation, make decisions, and experience the consequences in a risk-free environment. This hands-on practice reinforces their understanding and builds muscle memory. By trying it themselves and learning by doing, learners are not just memorizing the steps, they're internalizing the process. In this third step, learners apply what they've learned in a real-world scenario within the software. The Watch, Try, Do method ensures a seamless transition from learning to practical application. And there you have it, the power of Watch, Try, Do simulations and software training. By combining observation, interaction, and hands-on practice, learners are not just learning, they are mastering the software to confidently navigate through its challenges. Thanks for joining and happy learning. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.